In my last video for SYJC 25-26 academic year, I said for practical subjects we'll be solving at least 100-150 problems per chapter. Sir, are you serious about this? I'm damn serious about it. Our accounts and maths study material we have divided into three sections. There is classwork section, there is homework section, and there is something called intensive coaching series. Classwork, professors in charge will be solving the problems in the class. All homework problems will be similar to what we do in the classwork, which students will complete and professors will check. And then there is something called intensive coaching, which will be past Maharashtra board problems plus similar type of problems set by our teachers. So when you have solved on each chapter with us only almost 100 to 150 problems, plus you will be solving problems based on our test series, plus you will be solving problems for the 5 prelims that we will conduct. Just one day before the practical subject, I've been speaking this, I've been preaching this, that you can actually go one day before the exam even for a movie. And I mean it. Yes, the paper is of 100 marks. 20 marks, so you will have to collect from your college only. You know it very well. Your assignments and all that nonsense. So whether it is maths or accounts, the paper is of 80 marks. We will make sure that out of 80, you score at least 80. If you want to do that, come to our office, secure admission, and let's rock on. Bye guys.